Now it's time to load our resources in the assets folder. So I'll go back Command 1.
Show Project Navigator.
Project Navigator.
R.assets.xcos R.scenassets folder reference. Assets.xcos folder.
What I'm going to do.
R.scenassets asset main menu.xid assets.r.scenassets folder reference.
Okay, now contextual menu.
Menu. Show show new file. Add files to r.scenassets ellipsis. Press add files to r.scena. New folder. Column view. Browser 1. Assets.swift. App delegate.swift.
Let's see.
Base game view info.plist.
I'm just going to choose the
List 1
file.
items. Zigzag. List 1 items. Desktop. Dropbox. List 1 item selected. Mac Air. List 1 blog. List 1 item select podcast. List 1 item select tutorial 1. Tutorial 2. List 1 item gate. List 2 sounds. List 1 crickets.mp3.
So I got the crickets.
Win.mp3.
Got the MP3.
Wood underline 1.mp3.
And I've got all the wood steps. So I'll check them all.
12 items selected. Add. Project Navigator.
Okay, now they've all been added. I'm going to go to the game view controller.
Tutorial 2. Project game view controller.swift. Swift source. Move focus to editor list. Sort override func awake from nib. Override func.
Now, in the awake from nib, I'm going to load up all the steps and the ambient sounds and place them into the scene.
Super.awake from new line / create scene equal space / camera node camera scene space / camera node dot space / set self dot game view back space / allows the user self dot game view space right brace space.
Okay, at this point I have the function called load steps, and I'm just gonna call that
image void load steps left parent right parent tab,
and that loads up all the step files. And now I'm going to start creating putting all of the nodes in the scene where they're meant to be. So,
new line load steps new line load steps new line
scene
period
dot root
node period
dot add child node
image void add child node left parent child last number t number
crickets.
Selection replaced cricket source right parent.
Oops.
Right parent cricket source selection replaced C
It's not
right parent
source.
tab
And then scene
period
root
node period
add child
image
node.
image void add child node left parent last number t number
This
child
time
colon
it's
selection
the
replaced
ambient.
ambient selection replaced A right parent ambient right parent
Oops.
ambient selection replaced A
Typo.
right parent tab
Excuse me, it's the morning. My fingers are still a bit. Let's see.
new line right brace new line scene dot root node dot add child node ambient new line.
And since the scene has been loaded, we might as well load the cricket sounds and the ambient sound. So I'll take cricket.
Period. Image void add child node left parent image void add audio player left parent player last number t number player colon selection blue right parent
And I'm going to add an audio player, which I'll be instantiating inside the argument itself. So SCN audio player.
left parent
And
image texture.png image scn audio player left parent source colon scn audio source last number t number selection replaced C
cricket
8
source.
cricket new line new scene dot root node dot add child node ambient cricket dot add audio player left parent scn audio player left parent source colon cricket source right parent right brace right parent tab
And finally, I'm going to do the same thing for the ambient. So ambient,
period
add audio
image
player.
void add audio player left parent last number t number selection replaced cap s
Audio player.
left parent image texture.png image scn audio player last number t number
Source
scn audio
is
selection replaced A
ambient source.
new line right parent crick scene dot root node dot add child scene dot root load steps left parent right
Okay, now the two things we've forgotten
tab
is that the cricket and ambient sounds must be looped. So cricket source
cricket source period
loops
equals t
true,
tab
and ambient
period
dot
ambient selection replaced A
source
ambient source period
loops
equals t
true.
tab
And finally, the ambient sound has to be listened everywhere you move. So we're going to check off the positional. Let's see,
ambient source period
positional
is positional equals
false.
F new line new